Hello, and as you can see, I'm looking at images. Today I'm going to just look at how we can work with an image to add an image. So in this instance I'm looking at this particular image. I am going to put a placeholder. This is a wirework setup, so there is nothing in the background apart from these frames to put images in. I'm using Elementor, as you can see, and I'm just about to edit this image here. If we go here, I think this looks a good image, but what I do think we do need to look at in this particular image is to flip it horizontally. And as you can see, this might have the effect of making us look from our left to our right, and you'll see the value of this in a minute. Now, you can also take note that we can apply changes to all images or thumbnails, etc. We could have rotated it left, right. We can crop an image or flip the image again horizontally. So that can now, or should now, be saved. And then we can insert this media. And there you can see an example of how the image can now take us to this particular image, for example. And in this image I will now go again to this section here, and I will just see if there's an image that suits the needs, and I think in this instance it does. And this particular image, for example, could be slipped into there to complete a image of stress to calling for help. And that is what life's all about, isn't it? Sometimes we just need that bit of help to get to where we want to be. Image size wise, can that be changed? Yes, it could. So for example, it could be left aligned or center aligned. We can add a caption if we wanted to, and we can also link the media file as well. We could make the medium size there as well. We can take it to a thumbnail if we wished. But in this instance, this particular design fits in well. And if we just see on landscape, it looks okay. And look at that, we're very fortunate that one happens to have fitted in exactly with our mission of asking for support when you need it. My name is John Fairest. I'm doing a series of videos connected to some of the sites I'm involved in. This particular one is all about a site that is there to help males struggling at different times. So I'm not going to give you too much information about the site. What I am doing is just showing you how we can make this landscape movement here work on both our landscape there, so that fits in nicely, and our mobile. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're just checking this out for the first time, give us a like if you like what you're seeing. If you think it helps, that would be great just to know. Thank you very much indeed for watching this particular video.